Enw fi di Hugh Powell, Grassland Development Centre, canolfan datblygu tir glas, lawr yn Aberystwyth, yn gweithio i IBERS yn y Prifysgol Aberystwyth. A ni'n gweithio gyda ffermwyr rhwng Cymru i trosglwyddo ymchwil IBERS i ffermwyr rhwng Cymru a gweithio wedyn ni trwy Farming Connect i wneud na. A heddi, ni yma diwrnod agored Richard Rogers Cefnderwen i siarad beth i trin porfa Cyswllt a sut i wneud gwell defnydd o'r porfa sydd â fe. A mae wedi bod yn diddorol iawn i gweithio gyda fe achos mae fe wedi symud mlaen o just mesur porfa i gwellhau system e. Mae fe wedi symud o system continuous grazing i system troi, cylch troi rhwng paddocks. Dechreuwn ni bant gyda mesur porfa yn misol i gymaru hen ca gyda un newydd sydd wedi cael ei hau yn ddiweddar i jyst i roi wybod i ni sut mae'r ddoi gymaru a ble mae'r porfa dyn ni yn y flwyddyn. Ond hefyd ar y ffarm yma ni wedi defnyddio feed reader sydd yn teclyn bach chi'n rhoi ar ffrant quad bike a sonic reader yw e, so mae'n hyla mas sonic beam i'r borfa. Mae hwnna'n mesur uchder wrth bod chi'n mynd ymlaen, so mae'n cymryd sawl mesuriad wrth bod chi'n gallu trefeilu trwy'r paddock, a wedyn mae'n trosglwyddo hwnna nôl i'r computer ar y quad bike, a wedyn chi'n cael y kilograms o dry matter yn y paddock wedyn ni.
Okay, my name is Robert Plum. My company is called Cyswllt Fertility Services. And although I actually live in Norfolk, we cover the whole country, and basically we're soil fertility specialists. And we work by taking samples of soil, sending them to various laboratories to get a very, very detailed laboratory. We're looking not just at the standard UK test, we're looking at all the trace elements, the ratios, and what's causing a lockup of minerals, if anything. So we actually also take a sample of in this case, the grass itself. And here we've got a typical example of high input grass where we've got excesses of, in this particular case, or high levels of potassium and very low levels of magnesium and sodium. That's quite dangerous for animals and will cause hypomagnesemia and palatability problems of grass. So we've also got very low levels of things like copper and zinc, even iron in this case, but cobalt and selenium. Incredibly important. Cobalt, not only is it important for the animal itself, it's actually important for the microbes in the soil and for the bacteria that work with clover to fix nitrogen. So if I've got low levels of these things, as the situation here, the clover is not really contributing to the fertility of the soil. So we've identified what's in the soil, we've identified what's in the grass. We are then able to put together a specialist product to balance those minerals out. If I can get those trace minerals back up into line, the actual animal can actually eat less grass, utilise it and perform and yield and put on weight or increase milk yields from less quantity of grass. So it isn't always all about growing more grass. This is one sample taken at one particular time. If we start working with this farm, and we haven't started working on this farm yet, but if we start working on this farm, we would do another test and another test. We will test the forage, we'll open some of those bales, we'll take samples from those, because that's what the stock is going to be eating over the winter. I want to get that right for them for next winter, not just the stuff that they're feeding on here today. So we have to start planning and looking ahead. So I need more than one test in any one area to make sure that that snapshot is repeated, and therefore then I can start putting things into balance.